1. Self-mastery. Laws 1 and 12. 1. Know thyself. Understand your emotions, desires, and fears. Clarity is power. 2. Master your mornings. Own your first hour to own your day. 3. Embrace discomfort. Growth lives just beyond your comfort zone. 4. Win the inner war first. Defeat self-doubt before facing the world. 5. Choose identity over motivation. Act as the person you wish to become. 6. Practice relentless consistency. Small, repeated actions build empires. 7. Delay pleasure, multiply power. Self-discipline is the fuel of greatness. 8. Respect your energy. Protect your mental, emotional, and physical reserves. 9. Sharpen your tools. Daily invest in skill, health, and knowledge every day. 10. Think long-term. Sacrifice short-term ease for lasting legacy. 11. Silence is strength. Learn to observe without reacting. 12. Reflect like a sage. Journal. Meditate. Review. Refine. 2. Leadership and influence. Laws 13 to 24. 13. Lead by example, not words. Your actions set the standard. 14. Build trust before power. Respect earns loyalty, not fear. 15. Speak last. Listen first. Wisdom listens before it speaks. 16. Stay calm in storms. Grace under pressure is a true leader's badge. 17. Empower, don't control. Raise others. Leadership is multiplication. 18. Create vision, not just goals. Inspire with purpose, not just deadlines. 19. Praise in public, correct in private. Honor dignity in all interactions. 20. Master the art of timing. When you act often matters more than how. 21. Solve problems, not people. Attack issues, not personalities. 22. Build alliances, not armies. Collaboration, reading competition. 23. Learn from every defeat. Your losses are lessons in disguise. 24. Stay humble, stay hungry. Never forget the mountain still climbs. 3. Impact and spiritual depth. 25. Serve without expectation. True power uplifts without asking. 26. Give more than you take. Generosity is the seed of legacy. 27. Be a lighthouse, not a firework. Shine steadily, not just once. 28. Anchor in values, not trends. Build on principles that last. 29. Honor the sacred within. Connect to something higher. Call it God, purpose, or spirit. 30. Guard your environment. People and places shape destiny. 31. Choose solitude over noise. Silence reveals the soul's voice. 32. Be a student forever. Mastery begins with curiosity. 33. Heal before you lead. Unresolved pain creates reactive leaders. 34. Leave the world better. Impact is the true measure of success. 35. Love deeply, forgive often. Bitterness poisons the vessel that holds it. 36. Die empty. Give the world all your gifts. Don't leave with your song unsung.